Let's see how to draw a double line in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to draw a double line, there are two ways to do this. The first one is by manually inserting two lines through the Shapes tab. And it's going to look like this. And you'll notice that this process is very tedious to do. Now, another way that you can do this is by simply typing in three equal signs. Now, click on enter, and that should insert a double line in your document. However, this feature will only be enabled if you have it enabled on your Auto Format tab, which can be accessed through the File tab. Now click on Options, click on Proofing, and click on Autocorrect Options. Now, right here, make sure that you have this box checked, border lines. Otherwise, typing three equal signs will not work. And basically, that is how you can draw a double underline in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.